You've probably heard that essential oils can help with sleep, but most people have no idea how to actually use them. They grab a bottle of lavender, throw a few drops in a diffuser, and hope for the best, then wonder why they're still tossing and turning all night. The truth is, there's a specific way to use essential oil that taps directly into your body's natural sleep cycle. And if you don't follow it, you're wasting your oils and your time. What's wild is that when you do this the right way, when you use the right oil at the right time in the right place, you can start falling asleep faster, staying asleep longer, and actually waking up feeling refreshed. And you don't need any melatonin, sleep apps, or any expensive new gadgets to make it happen. In this video, I'm breaking down the easiest way to get started with essential oils for better sleep in 2025, even if you've never used them before. And I'm also going to be showing you the biggest mistakes people are making that could be sabotaging their results without even knowing it. Now, before we jump into the specific oils, I know some of you might be thinking, essential oils, sleep, really? Do they actually work? And that's a fair question. The cool thing is there's actually some science behind why certain scents can help us relax and prepare us for sleep. Think about it. Our sense of smell is super powerful. When you breathe in essential oil, those tiny little molecules travel straight to a part of your brain called the olfactory bulb. Now, this bulb is connected to the limbic system, which is basically the control center for our emotions, memories, and even our nervous system. But it's even more specific than that. When those aroma molecules from essential oils are inhaled, they don't just trigger general feelings. Different chemical components in these oils interact with specific receptors in your brain. For example, lavender is rich in compounds like linalool and linalool acetate. These have been shown in some studies to have a calming effect on your central nervous system, promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety. Think of it as gently telling your brain to slow down and get ready for rest. Similarly, the sesquiterpenes found in oils like cedarwood are believed to cross the blood-brain barrier and have a soothing effect on your emotional center of the brain. Understanding this connection can make you feel even more confident in the power of these natural tools. And for those of you who are already into essential oils, maybe you even explored some options from brands like Doterra, which has a fantastic reputation for their oils. All right, let's really explore why these essential oils are so fantastic for promoting restful sleep. First, we have lavender. This isn't just a pleasant scent, it's packed with compounds that can truly help your body and mind unwind. Beyond simply reducing anxiety, lavender has been shown in some studies to actually increase slow wave sleep, which is that really deep, restorative stage of sleep where your body repairs itself. It's also thought to help regulate melatonin, the hormone that controls your sleep-wake cycle. A great tip for using lavender is to put a few drops on your pillowcase right before you lie down, or as we discussed, diffuse it in your bedroom starting before you even begin your bedroom routine. The gentle floral aroma creates a truly tranquil atmosphere. Next, let's talk more about Roman chamomile. This oil is incredibly gentle, making it a great choice for those who have sensitive to stronger scents. It's particularly beneficial for sleep issues that are linked to stress and anxiety. Think of that feeling when you're just wound up and can't relax. Roman chamomile can help to soothe those feelings and ease you into a state of calm. It is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which might indirectly contribute to better sleep by reducing any minor discomfort you might be feeling. Try adding a few drops to a warm bath before bed to really amplify its relaxing efforts. Now let's dig into cedarwood. This oil's warm, woody aroma is deeply grounding, which is fantastic for quieting that mental chatter that often keeps us awake at night. If you find yourself lying in bed, replaying the day's events, or worrying about tomorrow, cedarwood can help to anchor you in the present moment. It's also believed to have a sedative effect on the nervous system. Some people find that diffusing cedarwood in combination with lavender creates an especially calming blend. You can also try applying a drop or two diluted to your forehead or the back of your neck. Frankincense is truly a remarkable oil with a long history of use. For sleep, its benefits go beyond just a pleasant scent. It's known for its ability to slow down and deepen breathing, which is a natural signal to your body that it's time to relax. It can also help to calm an overactive mind and promote a sense of peace and tranquility. Some people even find that using frankincense during meditation before bed helps to further prepare them for sleep. You can diffuse it, inhale it directly from the bottle, or even apply it diluted to your temples or the bottoms of your feet. If you struggle with restlessness and find yourself tossing and turning, Vetiver might be your new best friend. This oil has a deep, earthy aroma that is incredibly grounding. It's known for its ability to calm the nervous system and reduce feelings of anxiety. Unlike some other sedative oils, Vetiver doesn't typically leave you feeling groggy in the morning. It's often recommended for those who experience nighttime awakenings as it can help you fall back asleep more easily. Try applying it diluted to the soles of your feet before getting into bed. Many find this to be a very effective method. And for those who love the convenience of a pre-made blend, let's break down Doterra Serenity Blend a bit more. This popular blend often includes lavender, cedarwood, Roman chamomile, ylang ylang, marjoram, sandalwood, and vanilla bean absolute. You can see how each of these oils contributes to relaxation. Lavender and chamomile for calming anxiety, cedarwood and sandalwood for grounding, ylang ylang for its mood-boosting properties, and marjoram for soothing muscle tension. The touch of vanilla adds a comforting sweetness. This blend is designed to create a synergistic effect, meaning the combined power of these oils is often greater than the sum of their individual parts. It's a really versatile blend that can be diffused, applied topically, especially the Serenity Touch Rollerball, or even added to a warm bath. Finally, let's briefly touch on those other potentially helpful oils. Marjoram is known for its ability to help relax muscles and calm the nerves, which can be particularly beneficial if physical tension is keeping you awake. Sandalwood has a rich, woody aroma that promotes emotional balance and tranquility, and while bergamot is often uplifting, its calming properties can also help to reduce anxiety and improve mood, which can indirectly lead to better sleep, especially if worries are keeping you up. Okay, so now you know some amazing oils, but how do you actually use them to help you sleep better? Well, the good news is it doesn't have to be complicated at all. We're focusing on the easiest methods here. First up is this is super simple. All you need is an essential oil diffuser. This little gadget basically takes water and a few drops of your favorite essential oil and disperses it into the air as a fine mist. It creates this lovely calming environment right in your bedroom. How to diffuse. Just fill your diffuser with the recommended amount of water, add about 5 to 10 drops of your chosen essential oil, and turn it on. Where to put it? I recommend placing your diffuser on your nightstand or somewhere close to your bed so you can really breathe in those relaxing aromas. Timing is everything. Try turning on your diffuser about 30 minutes to an hour before you plan to get into bed. This gives the scent time to fill your room and start creating that peaceful atmosphere. You can even set a timer on your diffuser so it doesn't run all night. Another incredibly easy way to use essential oils for sleep is through topical application. This just means putting the oil directly on your skin. Now, this is crucial. You almost always want to dilute your essential oils with a carrier oil before applying them to your skin. A carrier oil is a neutral oil like fractionated coconut oil or jojoba oil. This helps to make the essential oil gentler on your skin and also helps it absorb better. Where to apply? Some of the best spots to apply diluted essential oils for sleep are your pulse points like your wrists and temples. Just be careful to avoid getting it in your eyes. You can also apply it to the soles of your feet, which is a great place for absorption, or even along the back of your neck. There are some pre-made options if you want to make it even easier. Some companies like Doterra offer pre-diluted essential oils in roller bottles like Serenity Touch, which is super convenient to just roll onto your skin. Now, for a method that's even quicker, aromatic inhalation. This is literally as simple as smelling the oil from the bottle. You can just open the bottle of your chosen essential oil and take some few slow, deep breaths. Palm inhalation. Another great way is to put a drop or two of the essential oil in the palm of your hand, gently rub your hands together, and then cup them over your nose and mouth, taking some slow, deep breaths. I actually like to keep a bottle of lavender or serenity on my nightstand for those times that I wake up in the middle of the night and need a little help drifting back to sleep. You can also try spraying your bedding or pillows. Just mix a little distilled water with a few drops of your favorite sleep-inducing essential oil in a spray bottle. Make sure to spray from a little distance and let it dry for a minute or two before hopping into bed. And finally, don't forget about a relaxing bath or shower before bed. Add a few drops of your chosen essential oil to some bath salts or carrier oil and then swirl it into your warm bath water. For a shower, you can put a few drops on the shower floor away from direct steam or water. The steam will help to diffuse the aroma and create a spa-like experience. The real magic often happens when you combine essential oils with a consistent and relaxing bedtime routine. This signals to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. Here's just one example of what your routine could look like. Start dimming the lights about an hour before you want to go to bed. Turn off your phone and other electronic devices. Maybe take a warm bath with some lavender or Roman chamomile. Turn on your diffuser with your favorite sleep blend in your bedroom. Apply some diluted essential oil on your wrists and the soles of your feet. Read a book or do some gentle stretching. Finally, get into bed and take a few deep breaths of the calming aroma around you. Remember, the key is consistency. The more you stick to a relaxing routine, the better your body will get at recognizing when it's time to sleep. And incorporating your chosen essential oils into your routine can amplify its effectiveness. To make sure you're getting the most out of your essential oil sleep routine, let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid. Using too much oil. More isn't always better. Start with a recommended number of drops for your diffuser or topical application. Overpowering scents can sometimes be stimulating rather than relaxing. Applying undiluted oils directly to the skin. For most oils, as we discussed, dilution is key for safety and to prevent skin sensitivity. There are very few oils that can be applied neat, undiluted, and it's best to err on the side of caution and always dilute. Diffusing oils for too long, while diffusion is great, you don't need to run your diffuser all night. About 30 minutes to an hour before bed is usually sufficient to create a calming atmosphere. You can even set a timer on your diffuser. Using stimulating oils close to bedtime. While some citrus oils can be uplifting and mood boosting, they might not be the best choice for a right before bed. Stick to the more calming and grounding oils that we discussed. Ignoring the rest of your sleep hygiene. Essential oils are a wonderful tool, but they work best when combined with other good sleep habits like maintaining a regular sleep schedule, creating a dark and quiet sleep environment, and avoiding caffeine and large meals close to bedtime. While using single oils is fantastic, you can also create your own powerful sleep blends by combining different essential oils that work synergistically. Here are a couple easy blend ideas you can try. Sweet Dreams Blend. Combine 3 drops of lavender, 2 drops of Roman chamomile, and a drop of cedarwood in your diffuser. This blend is excellent for promoting overall relaxation and easing you into a peaceful sleep. Calm the Mind Blend. Mix 2 drops of frankincense, 2 drops of vetiver, and a drop of lavender in your diffuser, or dilute with a carrier oil for a topical application on your wrists or on your feet. This blend is great for quieting racing thoughts and providing a sense of grounding. Restful Night Roller Bottle Blend. In a 10 milliliter roller bottle, combine 10 drops of Doterra Serenity Blend with fractionated coconut oil to fill the rest of the bottle. Apply to your pulse points, temples, avoiding your eyes, or the soles of your feet before bed. This is a convenient and pre-diluted option. Feel free to experiment with different combinations to find what works best for you. Start with fewer drops and adjust as needed. Now, when we talk about essential oils and their incredible benefits, it's also important to consider where these oils come from and how they're sourced. One concept that's gaining more and more importance is co-impact sourcing. Co-impact sourcing is essentially an ethical and sustainable way of sourcing essential oils. It's a commitment by companies to not only obtain the highest quality oils, but also to make a positive impact on the lives of the farmers, harvesters, and communities where these precious plants are grown and harvested. This can involve a number of things, such as ensuring fair wages and working conditions for the people involved in the sourcing process. It also focuses on environmental sustainability, promoting practices that protect the land and resources for future generations. Think about it. The quality and the effectiveness of an essential oil can be directly linked to the health of the plant and the environment it comes from. When a company prioritizes co-impact sourcing, it often means that they are investing in long-term partnerships with the communities they work with. This can lead to economic development, improved infrastructure, and better access to education and healthcare. It's a way of doing business that benefits everyone involved, from the people cultivating the plants to the individuals using the oils. For those of you particularly interested in brands like Doterra, they are a strong advocate for this type of model. And it's a core part of their mission to source their oils in a way that is both ethical and sustainable, ensuring the highest quality products while making a positive difference in the world. So when you're choosing your essential oils, looking for companies that are transparent about their sourcing practices and committed to co-impact sourcing can give you more peace of mind about the products you're using for your health and well-being. So what are your favorite essential oils for sleep? Have you tried any of these easy methods? Or maybe your own unique blends? I would love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful and you're ready to start getting better sleep, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps other people find this information. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and maybe even the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any future content. That's it for today's video on the easiest ways to use essential oils for better sleep in 2025. Remember, good sleep is so important for our overall health and well-being. Experiment with these tips, find what works best for you, and be consistent with your routine. Combining these natural wonders with good sleep habits can truly transform your nights and leave you feeling amazing during the day. Thanks so much for watching. Sweet dreams, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.